Championship held in Kenya, Mombasa, and I'm holding 3 gold medals. The first one is for sparring, which is 45 kilograms. The second one is for forms, and the third one is for special techniques. And I want to thank my coach and the people who supported me for this tournament.
Hello everyone, Namaste. I'm Ronak Singh and I'm the head coach of Tongil Modo Association Goa and the head coordinator for Tongil Modo India. And recently we had participated in the 11th edition of Mombasa Open International Martial Arts Championship in Kenya, 15 till 19. And I'm happy to announce victory in our martial arts journey since 2015. This time my both students won the 5 gold medals in different categories. This is one of the growing victory we could say India have done, and we are the only people from India who have participated ever in Mombasa Open and scored both time well. And now till this year we are holding a 5th rank in the full world in Mombasa Open Championship. In future we would like to just approach comment and other people to support us for this event so we can take more players and represent our country at the highest level. We are the only team in Goa who have done 11 internationals in 10 years since 2015, and we are looking forward for our supports and guidance and more glories for our state. And I see as a coach there's a lot of potential in Goan athletes, so if they're taking initiative and Goan governments are helping them, they will definitely go for the potential height.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.